Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I would like to wish all of you for this festive season, because in most parts of India right now festive season is going on. So happy Navratri, happy Durga Puja to all of you. Now we will do something different today. As it's festival season, obviously we can do something different, and it also includes kids, because I'm getting many requests from parents that how can we involve elder kids at home. Elder kids are staying at home this year and they are not getting much activities to do. They don't always want to be engaged in craft activities, but we can make them do some craft activities along with some drawing, some storybook reading, some TV watching. Obviously some screen time is also required for them at this moment, because that is the need of the hour. We can't take them out totally of that right now. And along with that, studies is there. So they can also be involved in small things like a little bit of cooking, some NFCs. NFC, what do you mean by NFC? Non-fire cooking. In that way they won't be exposed to fire directly, but they can help in the non-fire cooking portions. They can do there are many items which can be done as non-fire cooking. So today we have selected something which children enjoy a lot. Ishan loves it. So we have taken something like we'll be doing a pasta salad. Two ways I'll show how to do pasta salad. One for the kids mainly and one for the wet watchers over there. So I'll start with the kids one first. Ishan will help me in doing this. Before that, I want to tell the ingredients, what all ingredients we require for this. I have taken some whole wheat pasta over here. It's already boiled. Salt, pepper and chili flakes mixed together. Tomato ketchup. Some olive oil. Onion and bell peppers, green bell pepper. Mayonnaise. Boiled vegetables of your choice. And cucumber cut into cubes. Now we'll start the activity. First, I have taken the pasta in a bowl, so we will put the vegetables first. Here I have taken cauliflower. You can take broccoli also. A little bit of cauliflower, carrots. Use these ones. A little bit of cauliflower, carrots, some potato for the kids to enjoy, and corn, sweet corn. Next we'll put the again all the veggies. Next we'll put the capsicum or bell pepper and the onions cut into small cubes. Now the cucumber. Give it a little mix. Now salt for seasoning. I am using 1 teaspoon salt. A little bit of chili flakes and bell pepper. If you want, you can omit this also. If little kids are eating this, they can't eat hot and spicy, you can omit this. Or you can put a pinch at least, just for taste. 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons full of tomato ketchup. They love it. You can use 3-4 spoons also if you wish, if you like the flavor of tomato. And the mayonnaise. Here I have taken 4 teaspoons of mayonnaise. And some oregano. Here I have got some oregano, I'll put that also. And this is flavored olive oil, just for dressing, salads. This oil is specially for that. You can use normal olive oil also. I'm using 2 teaspoons over here. Now let me mix it. Ishan, can you come this side? Thank you, Ishan, for doing this.
You're welcome.
Now your pasta salad is ready and it's nutritious, full of vegetables, and children will love to eat this kind of food any time of the day. You want to have a little bit, Ishan?
Yes.
This is for your taste. See the seasoning.
Yum! Hi friends, I am Ishan. Today I am going to show you an easy origami of a double barrel shotgun. You will need a A4 sheet of paper for the double barrel shotgun. Start by folding the paper in vertical and into half. Crease the fold well. Now open the paper and reverse this crease to the other side. Now you will need a scale for reference in this fold. Now what you have to do is place the scale like this to this, means the middle line, and cut the paper in 2 halves. Now you will need 2 halves for the double barrel shotgun. First, in the first half, fold the half in half, means the paper in half like this. both sides to the middle line. And crease the fold well. Now fold this edge to here on both sides. Like this will make it thinner. Now do it on the other side also. Now you will have a paper like this. Now fold the paper in two half, means half like this. Now fold this in half also. Half or one little bigger than the other like this, or half. It's your choice. This aside and take the other half. Now this way we will also fold in half. Now this way. Now we will fold the paper to the middle line again. And this is not a very difficult fold. Now fold the other side too. Now fold the paper in one piece like this, in half, and fold this also in half, not one more than one. In half and open it. Now take the thinner one and place the thicker one like this to the thinner one. It will look like this. Now this is a tricky part here, where fold this edge inside these two flaps like this. Now fold the other side too. Now if both side notch matches, that is not a problem. Gun should look like this. You should have a double barrel here. Now this is the last step. Fold this, you have to here, means to handle here. Now fold this backwards like first fold this inside, then backwards. Now your double barrel shotgun is ready.
Friends, now we'll do the other way for the Weight Watchers over there. Whatever we require for this, I'll tell you once more all the ingredients. Boiled pasta, Some hung curd. I have already put the curd in a strainer and strained all the water from it and kept it like this. 2 tablespoons full of hung curd. Some mustard sauce, 1 tablespoon. Onion and green bell pepper. Chili flakes and pepper, black pepper mixed together. Cucumber cut into dices. Boiled vegetables of your choice again. You can put any kind of vegetables like broccoli, mushrooms, and if you eat non-veg, then you can put boiled chicken, and you can also put boiled eggs also for the kids. Salt for seasoning. Flavored olive oil for dressing. Now again Ishan will do the whole recipe on his own. So let's start it. First put the boiled vegetables. Take a spoon. Cucumber. Onion and bell pepper. Now mustard sauce. Hung curd. Olive oil. Salt and pepper a little bit. Sprinkle, just like. Yes. Salt also sprinkle. Yeah. Now more or less all the ingredients are there in the salad. Now oregano. Now mix them together. Hold this spoon with this hand and you can mix it together. Encourage your kids in cooking so that they learn everything while growing up a little bit as per their age. And non-fire cooking is not at all dangerous for kids, so they can always do it, and I'm sure they'll enjoy it. And they love to eat and serve to all the family members. So it's done.
Mama, you can have a little bit. Just for your taste.
Yeah, thank you, Ishan. Yummy, delicious. So friends, today you saw how we did 2 kinds of pasta salads, one a healthier version, and one for the kids over there. Now you can enjoy doing this kind of pasta salads at home, and you can also involve your kids along with you and engage them in meaningful activities and make them learn a little bit of cooking from the beginning. From at least from 5-6 year olds they can do all these things. You encourage them doing this and they'll learn it that way. Till then, keep watching my channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.